In this video, I completely break down how you or anybody in any kind of business can add utility to an NFT collection. And I also show you some very useful tools that you can use to get the job done. But first, I want to simplify something for everybody who might still be unsure about what NFTs are or what I even mean when I say utility. All right, so I'm gonna put it to you the most simple way possible, right? An NFT is just a cool receipt for something that you buy with Ethereum or whichever crypto that this collection lives on, right? Right, so ask yourself, what are you buying, right? And what are you getting a receipt for? Let's think of the real world for a minute. Sometimes that's food. Sometimes that's the entrance to a movie. We even get same day or next day shipping through Amazon through subscription, right? And yes, Amazon does send you a receipt to your email. Well, think of it like this. Everything we get for our money in the NFT world is called utility, right? So think of it like, think of it because I know you see the headlines and you might see that a picture of something sold for 200,000, but what they're not really reporting or telling you is that what they're getting for 200,000. It is debatable as far as what you're getting is worth it, but you got to just think of it like that. All right, so going back to my Amazon example, right? If Amazon was to give us each a cool image, right, unique with all the different variations like NFT collections have, and let's say they charged us a year worth of Prime subscription, but they converted that to Ethereum. They minted those images on the blockchain and sold us subscription that way. Amazon would actually have a pretty dope NFT. And look, if y'all decide to do that at Amazon, please holler at me and cut me in. But ultimately, that's why I feel strong about, and not only feel strong about, but is 100% confident in and know that the NFT creation space has room for regular people like me, regular people like you, people that already run businesses, right? Whether you have an event venue, whether you do photography, whether you cut grass, whether you paint houses, whether you do roofing, whether you cut hair. The only missing link for most people that ask me is figuring out how you could take your business model and create and integrate NFTs into that. And I'm gonna keep it real with y'all like I always do. An NFT is worthless without utility. And a lot of people do not know that. Cause like the misconception right now is that you gotta be some huge team backed by a marketing firm or have millions of dollars to pour into the utility of your project. And bro, that's not true. People like me and you can add utility to our projects. You know why? Because we're already adding utility in the real world, right? We're already giving value in the real world. So all we need is a couple tools to do that. And I found some great ones. So let's jump on the computer. All right, so the tools that I'm gonna go over with y'all today is from the line of tools at our good folks over at Koji. All right, now, if you watched the previous video about us just adding utility to an NFT, then you kind of already had an introduction to Koji. However, they've added all type of things for the NFT creator. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through some of these and then I'm gonna show you, give you exact examples as to who could use this and how they could use it, all right? So the very first one, create an NFT, all right? Let's preview this. You connect your existing wallet. Let's say it's MetaMask. All right, so first let me explain this, all right? What Koji is link in bio, but on steroids, right? And so what they've done is made innovative ways that you can do pretty much everything. They've got all types of different apps, but they made a way that you can pretty much do everything independently right from your link in bio, right? So this is why the average person like me or you can, number one, even use something like this. But then when you mix NFTs into that Web 3.0, which we'll go over Web 3.0 and what that is, but I want you to simplify it. What Web 3.0 is gonna be the modern internet, right? Web 1.0 was AOL, the first Yahoo, Google, you know what I'm saying? All those. Then Web 2.0 was Facebook, the social media age, right? Now this is Web 3.0, right? So that's all Web 3.0 is. But anyway, I'm gonna go through some of these tools and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how you can get value from it no matter what you do, all right? So create an NFT. This lets followers mint your NFTs. I had a fella the other day in my comments say, hey Rico, bro, what if I don't wanna do like random generated NFTs, you know what I'm saying? Like the stereotypical kind. What if I just wanted to upload an image of my photography or a graphic design that I did and use that as an NFT? Well, now you can do that. You can use this app to mint an NFT, right? You just connect your wallet, boom, you upload the NFT and then it's minted on OpenSea as in everything as soon as you mint it through here, right? And so now just by a simple link in your bio, you can actually let somebody mint an NFT right from your link in bio, right? Now, There's not a specific person that can benefit from this. Why? Because everybody, no matter if you cut grass and you want to get into NFTs, or you have a clothing brand and you want to get into NFTs, this will help. All right, now let's go to the next one. Now, profile picture generator, right? Create new collections, right? It's pretty much the same concept as the last one. Instead of uploading one-off NFTs, this is where you can kind of upload your traits, your layers, and things like that, as far as creating an entire collection and then minting it, right? And so it's the same concept. Your buyers would come in through your link wherever you have it, whether it can be on your Facebook, your Instagram, and then boom, they can buy off your collection. And the dope part is, you know, because they kind of let you walk through the whole thing, is the dope part is that these are real live on OpenSea, right? Like these get minted in real life. So that's the big thing, or minted on the blockchain, I should say. So that's the big thing with something like this. Once again, all of us who want to get into NFTs can use something like this, all right? NFT storefront, we're gonna preview that. This is kind of the same thing. If you have different, you know, random ones, and you want to kind of, you know, you used the previous two to mint or whatever, and you kind of want to set you a little storefront up, and you don't, and OpenSea is a little bit more too confusing for you, then here, you can do it right here through this app. All right, so you can sell NFTs instantly right here inside your link in bio, and it once again is powered by OpenSea. All right, so that's powerful, bro. We talked about NFT gallery before. We talked about giveaway an NFT, but I just want to go ahead and, you know, reiterate that, right? Because you're asking, why would I give away an NFT? Well, okay, I'm gonna give you an example. Let's say you're a gym trainer, right? You train people in the gym, and you've got a group of 5 people that own your NFTs. You only minted 5 NFTs, right? And you want to give away NFT for an extra session or whatever the case may be. Well, then you can use a tool just like this to do so, right? And so the reason why you would use a tool like this is because if you wanted to do something like this without a tool like this, then you'd have to know how to airdrop. You'd have to know how to do all this complex stuff on the blockchain that a lot of us honestly just don't understand yet, right? So this kind of lets it do that. Right now, I've used this software to run my own giveaway, right? So a person would enter their wallet address, right? And then boom, their nickname, and then they would enter giveaway. And then you can set like different parameters on, like you have to follow me on Instagram, or you have to watch a YouTube video, or subscribe to this newsletter. Then you can even set how much weight and how many, you know, how much it gives you in the entries. Okay, so you know who could really benefit from this, right? My people who resell sneakers, my people who have a clothing brand, my people who are dealing with limited items and kind of want to do their own type raffle system, all right? This can also benefit you, right? So you can use something like this, set up things people have to do to enter your raffle, and you know, you get more points. Kind of like if you're familiar with the Flex app, getting head starts, right? NFT Locked Images lets you lock any number of photos or images behind an NFT gate. Followers who own an NFT within a specified collection will be able to unlock access by connecting their crypto wallet to show proof of NFT ownership. You can use this for your own NFTs or to help promote an NFT community. That's what they say here. This is how I would use this in my graphic design days, right? Let's say you buy a premium NFT from me that gives you access to however many designs, then this is probably what I would use. I would use something like this to give you access to your work when I'm done with it, right? So maybe if you're working with clients who the work you're doing is proprietary, right? And you've got to kind of lock these things and only give access to the person whose eyes need to see it, right? That's how you can do it. Hey, even my people in the adult industry, like OnlyFans, stuff like that, like if you want to think about how you can integrate NFTs into that, then you can use something like this, just locked images. And you know what, there's so many different ways you could use locked images, you know, within your business. Maybe that image is a coupon code, maybe that image is a QR code that takes them somewhere else. Like, you can really get creative with something like this, but you can lock it with NFTs, adding more utility, right? We talked about utility, adding more utility to your NFT collection or project, right? Same concept here, NFT Locked Files, right? So this is for my guys who sell beats, right? If you sell beats and you sold like a premium, like let's say your NFT was just 2 golden drumsticks, and what this gives in a potential artist who owns your NFT is whatever beats you make for the week, then you get licensing or whatever, right? Then you can zip these files, right? Just like you would zip like any other collection of beats, and you can make them accessible accessible and available to the people who own your NFTs, and then you can use a tool like this to do it, right? So when you think about utility with NFTs, and if I can create an NFT and what could somebody get out of my NFT, I'm telling you, any business, bro, can be an NFT. Think about it like this: you're charging Ethereum instead of cash, and you're giving them a cool digital receipt. And that's all it is, bro. So outside of people that make beats, right? Maybe graphic designers who, you know what I'm saying, who want to sell. I know a lot of designers used to sell like PSDs, presets, stuff like that. Like you can use it for that too. NFT locked videos, right? This is gonna be for my rappers, my artists, or whatever. Like not even just rappers and artists, even a YouTuber like myself, somebody like Vlad, Say Cheese, or whoever, bro. Like, I'm not saying I'm in the class with them at all. I'm just saying content creators, people whose value and utility is videos, right? What if you owned an NFT to where I released videos where I go more in depth on this stuff that I'm teaching? And you know, mine would be like a composition notebook I would do, because I would always relate it back to school, but I would do like a composition notebook. It would be like a picture of a composition notebook, and what you get is 3 in-depth videos that I would usually charge whatever for. You know what I'm saying? And you get 3 of those per month or whatever with this NFT. And this is how I would give you those videos, because it would be, you know, I could make them private on YouTube or whatever, but it's not the same. Same with rappers. You know what I'm saying? You got a project that you want to release NFT only. You know what I'm saying? An NFT only release, all the videos, all that are only accessible to your NFT holders, then this is how you can do it right here, using something like that. You know, not only just artists, not only just rappers, right? We're gonna try to get creative. Okay, let's say you're a makeup artist. You can kind of do a video and show exactly how you do like your exact technique, right? And you kind of film it tutorial style, right? To where, and you make that a video available to people who want to learn and do the same. Then you can use that, right? Let's say you sell dressers, right? You sell furniture or whatever. Then you can put like the videos on how to assemble your furniture and lock them with NFTs, and lock them to where only the holder of an NFT can see it. Like, bro, I'm telling you, you could turn any business into an NFT, right? All right, NFT premium inbox, right? This is kind of the same concept as maybe somebody who does adult content, or even on OnlyFans. I know somebody like Bandman Kevo, it's not only just adult content on OnlyFans, there's educational content on OnlyFans as well. So this is the same kind of thing. If you run the type of business where access to you is the value, is the utility, then you could benefit from, hey, only my NFT holders can message me and get a response, or whatever the case may be. And even if you're a big artist and, you know, musical artist or like graphical artist, this might be beneficial as well. NFT locked ebooks and PDFs, the same type of deal. Let's say you're a chef, you cook, right? You make plates in whatever city you are. You know, you don't have a food license or nothing. You just, you know, you hustling, you slinging plates, and you want to integrate NFTs. Well, then what's that thing like? You can have like a golden whisk as your NFT, and what that whisk does is not only get you certain meals, but it also gets you certain recipes or a special menu or whatever the case may be. Because keep in mind, this PDF can be anything. Think about it. People sell ebooks on how to change oil. People sell ebooks on everything. And not only that, but anything can be a PDF or an ebook, right? So it could be a special menu. Maybe you don't serve everybody this, but this NFT grants you access to this special menu that isn't publicly available, right? That's how maybe even a restaurant or somebody like that could take advantage of NFTs, right? And so that's what you can do with a tool like this. Now, I know we talked about the actual NFT giveaway earlier, where you're giving away an NFT, but what about the NFT locked giveaway, where the NFT is your entry into the sweepstakes, right? This is where maybe my people who raffle off electronics, or my people who sell sneakers and you know, and want to do like a raffle system for their top customers and their top people, bro. Like, that's somebody who could benefit from that. We already talked about the secret message, you know what I'm saying, the NFT wall, and we talked about the NFT message wall. All right, so as you can see, like I said, bro, there's literally not one business that you couldn't come to me and say, hey bro, could I integrate NFTs into this business? And I say, no, it's impossible, bro. Using the right tools and getting creative, bro, you can make an NFT out of anything, bro. I have another video where I'm actually showing how you can create an NFT collection. Man, meet me over in that video. I love y'all, man. Let's get it.